Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through the process to enable the Instagram Notes feature on any of your account. So if you're looking out how to do so, you can just go over and follow up this process and you should be able to do it. So you can start by updating the application. Only the latest version of the Insta has it. So you can go to Play Store, and within Play Store you can go over, look out for your Insta, go to the search for Insta. And once you find Insta, if there is any kind of update available for the following app, you can just go over and update it and see if that allows the Instagram Note feature on your account. If not, this you can force close the app or uninstall and reinstall it. So for that, you can hold the app and go to the info. And once you go to their info, you can just go over and then look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on it. After that, just go over and tap on OK, and that should do it. If not this, you can even look out for storage and tap on it and clear the cache. So look out for clear cache in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And if that doesn't work out, you can even clear the data, which should probably log you out, but you need to log in back again. And that is how you do it. You can even uninstall the application itself and reinstall it. That should also probably work out for you. Apart from that, you can try switching account type as well. Sometimes that should also work out. So you can go to your Insta, and within your Insta, look out for your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once you access your profile, look out for the menu in the top right and tap on it. And from there, you can just go over and look out for the option called Business Tools and Controls, or for Professional Tools and Controls. You can look out that as well and tap on Switch Account Type and switch to another account and see if that enables the Instagram Note features on any account. Apart from that, you can try using VPN as well. Sometimes the features may not be available in some of the regions very soon. So you can just go over and follow up those methods and you should be able to enable the Instagram Note features on your Android. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.